Our product plywood cutting machine, also be called a plywood trimming saw, its function for cutting 4 edges of plywood, so all plywood size will be same and tightness. Its working way are semi-automatic. Only put plywood on machine. The saw machine will automatic trimming plywood edges. After finished trimming, machine will stacking plywood automatically. High efficiency and very convenient to increase your production capacity. Min Home Machinery plywood cutting machine with mature and reliable structure after upgraded and improved again and again, so its working performance are very well, and using infrared guide to ensure accurate positioning, with big power to cut thick plywood, will lift table to automatic stacking. Welcome, contact us for more information. We have the confidence that we will offer you a suitable and good plywood cutting machine for you.